English grammar, like and love. What do you do at the weekend? At the weekend, I like to get up late. I love to drink a cup of coffee in the morning. I like to go to the park on Saturday. I love to make dinner on Sunday evening. Look at the sentences. At the weekend, I like to get up late. I love to drink a cup of coffee in the morning. I like to go to the park on Saturday. I love to make dinner on Sunday evening. So like and love, grammar number 1. I like to verb. I like to go. I like to watch. I like to see. I like to play. I like to eat. I like to drink. And love, I love to verb. I love to go. I love to watch. I love to see. I love to play. I love to eat. I love to drink. What do you do in the summer? In the summer, I like going to the park. I love drinking a cold drink. I like walking in the evening. I love eating ice cream. Look at the sentences. In the summer, I like going to the park. I love drinking a cold drink. I like walking in the evening. I love eating ice cream. So like and love grammar number 2. I like verb plus ing. I like going. I like watching. I like seeing. I like playing. I like eating. I like drinking. And I love verb plus ing. I love going. I love watching. I love seeing. I love playing. I love eating. I love drinking. What do you do in the winter? In the winter, I like to stay in my house. I love to drink hot chocolate. I like watching TV. I love seeing my family. Good English? In the winter, I like to stay in my house. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. I love to drink hot chocolate. Is it good? Yes, it's good. I like watching TV. Is that good? Yes, it's good. I love seeing my family. Good English? Yes, that's good too. Grammar exercise. Finish the sentences. Number 1. I like to shopping. Number 2. I like pizza. Number 3. I love to tea. Number 4. I love books. Number 5. I like to music. Number 6. I love to the cinema. What do you think? Okay, let's look at the answers. Number 1. I like to go shopping. I like to go shopping. Number 2. I like eating pizza. I like eating pizza. Number 3. I love to drink tea. I love to drink tea. Number 4. I love reading books. I love reading books. Number 5. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. Number 6. I love to go to the cinema. I love to go to the cinema. Speaking and writing. Speak to a friend or your family, or write in your book. Number 1. What do you do at the weekend? Number 2. What do you do in the summer? Number 3. What do you do in the winter? Number 4. What do you do every day?